It's Risa. How you doing? More meal prep ideas, planning. I did a lot of shopping today, so I'm going to go through the items that I bought and give you some ideas of some of the things that I make. Also, you can always check out, and hopefully you have subscribed to Risa Weiner YouTube, so when I post my recipes, they'll come right to your email, and that you're obviously on my Facebook group, Weight Watchers Tips and Recipes by Risa. So let me start and show you some of the things that I bought. I've got this ready because we're going to have these on the barbecue. I'm going to make a nice stir fry, and it's the chicken. You get 2 packages of grilled chicken skewers from Costco, and they're super delicious, and they're already have seasoning on them. So you don't need to add anything. Put them on the barbecue, and you can add them to vegetables like a stir fry like I'm doing, or rice or pasta. You can have it just on the side. You can put them in pitas or wraps with hummus. So many different ideas in casseroles, fast, easy, and of course, my favorite word, delicious. I always buy the big bags of the frozen fruit. My daughter likes making smoothies, but I also like them just with my yogurt. Takes longer to eat, and for some of my dessert recipes. A big bag of broccoli. I like to steam it, put it in my stir fries. Okay, you can even make a soup with it. Nice size is a good idea to have. It lasts several days. You can add other vegetables and have them to dip in dressing. Here is tuna. It's on sale right now. I mean, it depends when you buy it from Costco. 6 tins was $10. Good price. I love the extra large eggs from Costco. You get 2 in a package. Always a good deal. And of course, hard boil, scramble, use them for a bunch of my videos, for my baking, for French toast, just to have like that. My chopped egg. I love eggs. Good source of protein. Love blueberries. They were also on special today. A big container for $5. My pure protein bars. They taste like chocolate bars. Great after a workout, as a snack, on the way home from work, if you're at a movie. I love these bars, 5 Smart Points. I'm just trying the Saputo Light Swiss for a change, and I usually buy the Saputo Light Mozzarella, but this was on sale, so I like a sale, and that's from Costco, okay? From Walmart, I love the 1-minute oatmeal. You know I use that for lots of my muffin recipes and granola bars. So you can check that out. $2 a bag. I love the broccoli. It's a stir fry mix, and I love that for my stir fries, obviously. I'm going to make a big stir fry, and then I use that also for my crack slaw recipe, which you can check out, and just some extra slaw, broccoli slaw. Sometimes I just like using that, and I add that to my stir fries, or I just use that in my recipes just to make a nice salad. I buy a nice big batch of Yogo yogurts. There's always different flavors. This time I bought the ones with vanilla, peach, strawberry, and blueberries. My Vidalia onions, I love, of course, for my stir fries. And even just mushrooms and onions is nice to top on chicken or steak or whatever. It just adds so much flavor. I use them in lots of my recipes. You can check out my burgers. I love to stir fry and use a nice sweet onion. You can use regular onions too. I needed some fresh sesame oil, and so I bought that. Some nice brown rice from Walmart. I bought the shirataki fettuccine noodles. For the whole package is 1 Smart Point. some green apples. I like to just slice them thin. Sometimes I dip them in PB2 powder, or I use them also in my overnight oats, or I make them baked apples or just eat them like that. And they had the prune, not prunes, they look like prunes, but they're blue plums. And I love blue plums. I love to put them in my oatmeal and heat it up. And the syrup from the plums is absolutely delicious. If you haven't tried that, you need to try that, okay? Some ultralight Cool Whip, of course. Add some PB2 powder or some of your favorite pudding, or on top of your yogurt, on top of your fruit. It's delicious. Everything in moderation. I buy the cremini mushrooms. I use those for a lot of my recipes too. My stir fries, in my eggs, if I make an omelet, in my on my pizzas. So check them out. One of my favorite snacks is the Gadilla light corn snacks, okay? And they are very low. I'm just going to show you so that I can see that they are, for 3.5 cups, is 140 calories, 0 saturated, 0 sugars. And they're about 1 smart point. You can buy them in the kosher section at Walmart if you have one, or at Sobeys. I'm not sure where else. You can always Google search Gadilla, okay? So I'm just showing you light corn snacks. There's other flavors, but you're looking for the light. Of course, bananas for tons of my recipes. And I just love frying them up with my PB2. I love just eating them like that. You can freeze them for smoothies. You can have them with yogurt. You know, tons of ideas with bananas. Check out my YouTube. Of course, zucchini, and I've made zucchini muffins, zucchini casseroles, and I'm going to be making lots of other things with zucchini, and I use that just in my stir fries. I love to steam it. I love to bake it, broil it, pan fry it. I love zucchini, one of my all-time favorite vegetables. These are bagel light thins, okay? They're only 100 calories. I bought the everything, and I got these actually at No Frills. But I'm sure you can find them. It's by Tofuyan, and I know they sell these at other stores, at other grocery stores. You can look up the brand. They're very thin, which I like, and I love to toast them. So it makes it longer to eat. And of course, you can make all kinds of sandwiches. You can have it with tuna or egg or cream cheese or some light butter. I can't believe it's not light butter, margarine. You can just sprinkle a little bit of light cheese on it and melt it and make cheese in the ovens, I call it. I bought Laughing Cow. I bought white cheddar, 1 smart point each. And for a change, and I love to eat them as a snack or, you know, for breakfast. Jalapeno is really delicious. And of course, tons of peppers, and they're on sale right now. So I bought red and yellow and green and orange because I love them. And as a treat and a surprise to my husband, I bought some beef back ribs. And I don't eat a lot of beef, but as I mentioned, everything in moderation, and we're just going to barbecue those. I like to boil them first, and a lot of the fat will come off for about 40 minutes in water, and I actually add some Sprite to it. I don't know why, I just always have. For about 40 minutes, you boil them, and then I season them up with whatever spices you like, and some sugar-free barbecue sauce, and bim bam boom, you get really delicious ribs. So just again, meal prep ideas. You can always go on my YouTube. I hope you subscribe and share Risa Weiner to check out all my recipes And I hope this is helpful for you guys to see some of the things that I buy that help me, obviously get through the week and always have extra things in your house, in your cupboard. And then you are prepared. Then you will be focused, and then you will be successful. And we want to be successful on our journey. Okay. So lots of great items. I like to shake it up and do different things all the time and buy different cheeses like I did, and different fruit like I did, and different veggies like I do. Okay, so that's what you need to do. Make it interesting so that you don't get bored. I mean, some things I keep the same, but I like to always find something different snacks, although this is one of my favorite. I don't eat them all the time. So they were on sale, so I bought a few bags. And of course the ribs as a special treat. All right, so love you guys, and hope to see your posts with the things that you make, with some of the ideas from my YouTube, and your likes, your ring that bell, comment, share, tell other people about my group, Weight Watchers Tips and Recipes by Risa. And love you guys. Take care. Bye for now.